Hi everyone, welcome to WCATS. So this is the very first video of our NABARD hits. So hits videos are going to be around 2 to 4 minutes videos, from which we are going to learn about topics which appeared frequently in previous year question paper. So today's topic is PM Fasal Bima Yojana. Why PM Fasal Bima Yojana? Because this question, it has appeared 2 to 3 times in last 5 years. So we'll quickly see through the important features of PM Fasal Bima Yojana and what can be the potential questions from this topic as well as similar topics. Okay, so PM Fasal Bima Yojana, number one, you need to know about ministry. Although this ministry is easy, but there are certain ministries which can be very confusing. For example, in case of MORD, these things are difficult to guess. So we'll be covering this in another hits. Another thing that you need to know about any scheme is about its objective. So this is about PM Fasal Bima Yojana. Fasal is crop and Bima is insurance. So scheme is all about crop insurance. Who are beneficiaries? Obviously farmers. Okay, so now coming on to the main point. The most important thing is this box, premium. Rabi they have already asked, खरीफ पूछा जा चुका है, हॉर्टिकल्चर इस साल पूछा जा सकता है. So problem is it gets very confusing how to remember these things. So we will try to give you some mnemonics in order to help you with these things. First of all, you need to know about horticulture. H is 5. So just imagine that you are doing a high five with your friend. So high five, H is 5. Then regarding the Rabi and Kharif, Rabi and Kharif, this is 2. So what is the present year? It's 2K21. So that means 2 is with Kharif. Another way you can try to remember is imagine Kharif crops are khatte. So again K and T. And similarly in case of the Rabi crop, it ends with I. I looks like 1. So that is 1.5. So in case of the mnemonics, one of the principle, it should be as absurd as possible, so as to help you with the imagination. If you try to make it logical, you won't be able to retain it in your mind. So coming on to the next thing, yield losses. So thing you need to remember is what all things are covered under the schemes and what isn't. So अगर ये नहीं करना है कि क्या क्या covered है, तो please focus on what is not covered under the scheme. Price risk is not covered under the scheme. So ये याद रखना है. And post harvest losses are covered. बाकी things are obvious and you can guess from the questions. Approaches, area approach basis है जो इस scheme में use हुआ है. Okay, so these are the important points. If any question is coming from PM Fasal Bima Yojana, there is less than 1% chance it will come out of something outside this screenshot. This screenshot has been taken directly from our course for NABARD 21. So our complete course has been designed in a very compact, crisp and to the point manner, because we know the value of the last 40 days that you have for NABARD preparation. And if you start reading about random things and start doing a PhD into the NABARD course, you won't be able to clear the exam. This is something that you need to understand as early as possible and accept it. So coming on to similar topics, so whenever we will be doing hits, we will also see what can be the similar topics that can come in this year question paper. So first of all, please memorize 7 schemes of MORD. Why 7 schemes? These are the most important one. And second, confusing भी है. So sale SRK, it's nothing, it's a mnemonic which we are going to cover in another video, or you can go to our Telegram channel or our Quora space. Quora is nabard21.quora.com. Okay, so sale SRK is a mnemonic जिसमें ये सब cover हुआ है, जैसे A is Ajivika, K is Kaushalya and all these schemes. Second, please go through main schemes on agriculture, कृषि सिंचाई, funds हो गए इसके, जैसे national, all the funds of Ministry of Agriculture is important. Coming on to the next scheme, PM Kisan Soil Health Card. And facts of PM Fasal Bima Yojana we have already covered. Another thing that you need to revise right now is about Rabi and Kharif crops. We know it's very difficult to memorize all these facts related to crops, उसमें कौन सी crops आ रही हैं, schemes में कौन सी ministry है. So we strongly advise you to please use mnemonics. Otherwise, agriculture and rural development, this portion is going to be a nightmare for you. And for me personally, I feel it's not humanly possible for us to remember these things. So accept your brain's limitations and try to use mnemonics and memoritics as much as possible. And second important thing is try to keep your content very limited. I'm going to emphasize on the same thing again and again, just to show you the importance of these things. Okay, so if you like the content, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for NABARD related hits, we are going to upload it on our course on website acats.com. Thank you.